Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a look at this Furrion Chill Cube RV air conditioner with air distribution box. And as you can see, our air conditioner unit features a black cover. Now this is going to be a great option to consider if you're looking for a reliable, whisper quiet RV air conditioner that's going to keep you cool on a hot, scorching day. This does feature, as you can see, an aerodynamic, compact cube design that's going to do a great job of freeing up space on your roof in case you want to install some other items on your roof if you need the space for that, such as like a solar panel or a pop top or something like that. This is not going to take up as much space as some typical RV air conditioners. This is an 18,000 BTU per hour unit, so this is going to quickly and efficiently cool down the inside of your RV or camper van. This is designed to work even in the harshest temperatures and environments. This does use the more energy efficient R32 refrigerant, which is going to meet the 2025 EPA regulations. This air conditioner is compatible with ductless systems, and this is designed for motorhomes, travel trailers, fifth wheels, and camper vans. But I do want to point out that this is not approved for use on school buses, food trucks, enclosed utility trailers, or off-roading vehicles, because typically the roofs on those type of trailers or vehicles are not built with the support that's needed to support an air conditioner system, or there might be too much flex in those types of roofs that could end up damaging an air conditioner unit if you're going down the road. So just so you're aware of those items that this system is not approved for. Now this is going to be a bolt-on installation. This is going to include the hardware to get this bolted into place. It also includes our air distribution box and a remote here, which we'll talk about in the next minute or so. This will only be compatible with Chill Cube components. And this is going to fit roofs from 3.5 inches to 6 inches thick with an opening size of 14.25 inches long by 14.25 inches wide. If you're wondering about the measurements of this unit, looking at the overall length from back to front, we're sitting right at about 29.5 inches. And then looking at the width here at the widest point, about 29 inches wide, and then the height, about 14.5 inches tall. The unit itself weighs about 75 pounds. Now, giving you a closer view here of this side of the table, this does include a low-profile air distribution box, and this also includes a remote control. This is pretty cool. It has a cradle here that you can install on a wall there and then just drop that into place. But as you can see, this does have an LCD display that's going to be very easy to read. Let me see if I can bring that up just a little bit closer so you can see. But this remote control has a follow me function that's going to adjust the temperature based on its location in your RV. So that's a really great feature that this remote has. On our air distribution box, oh, by the way, batteries are included with the remote. On our air distribution box here, this does have an oscillating fan, an oscillating air vent rather, that's going to provide better, more efficient cooling than air conditioners with fixed vents. So let me see if I can just prop this up here real quick. And maybe you can view this just a little bit easier. If I bring it in a little bit closer, you see our buttons here. We have a power button, then we have our eco gear button, and then our mode button, which will go through auto, cool, dry, and fan, up, down, and then our fan speed button, sleep button, and then the swing button for that oscillating fan. And then let me just turn this around here so you can get a view of the other side. So again, this is low profile, so when you have this mounted into place, this is going to be about a ½ inch tall, coming out of your roof, or the portion of the roof that this is going to be sticking out. Let me see if I can mount this back into place real quick here on this block. So it does include everything that you see here. If you're wondering about the size of the box, it's about 18.25 inches wide and 18.25 inches tall. And so you see everything else that it comes with here. These are going to be those bolts to install your air conditioner, additional hardware, and as I mentioned, the batteries as well. Now going back to the air conditioner here, let me go back out to my wide view. I went ahead and removed the screws. There's 12 Phillips screws here that secure the cover. So I'm just going to pop this off here real quick, and hopefully you can get a view of the inside if you were wanting to take a look here. So this air conditioner does feature a whisper quiet motor that's going to run continuously to prevent disruptive on and off cycles. And this also has low energy, eco, and gear mode. You saw that on the air distribution box. That's going to efficiently run the air conditioner with minimal power draw. The cooling power draw is going to be 11.6 amps. And then the 4 fan speeds are available to let you increase or reduce airflow. The turbo speed is going to give you an additional boost of airflow on those scorching hot days when you want to cool down quicker. And as you saw, the cover comes off pretty easily. This, of course, is a black cover. It's pretty nice, durable plastic. It's not a glossy or shiny texture. It's more of a matte texture. And it feels like it's a pretty good, thick piece of plastic. So I think it's going to hold up pretty well. Let me go ahead and replace this real quick here. So if you're ever needing to do some maintenance, maybe clean it out or something additional, as you can see, this is going to come off pretty easily. I'm losing my remote control over there. Like I said, all you're going to have to do is remove the 12 Phillips head screws, and then that's going to allow you to easily pop this off. And then when you're done doing the maintenance that you need to do, you'll just pop this back on and make sure you just pop it into place like I'm doing here. Replace those 12 screws and you'll be on your way. Just as simple as that. So as I mentioned, this is going to include everything that you see here on my table before me. You can't see it, but underneath the unit itself there are foam pads, so it's going to be a great support for this unit while it's on your roof. So it's going to help reduce vibration as well. So you got those foam pads between the base of the air conditioner and the top of your roof. And it does include a wiring harness. I'm not too sure if you're going to be able to see that. Typically we will include photos on our product page of the wiring harness. Let me see if I can just bring this here to the front. But the wires are just going to come out from underneath the unit itself. But I think that's going to wrap up our quick look today. I do hope that our time together has been helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.